All right, welcome to Knott's Fishing. Today we are going to be scraping this popcorn ceiling. I'm going to show you how I do it. You might be wondering why we hadn't done much boat stuff. Well, that's because we're renovating a complete house here. We've been scraping ceilings. So I was down to my last room and I was like, let's go ahead and show you a video on how to scrape it. But this is the inside of our place. We knocked all these walls out and knocked all the kitchen out, redoing everything. So here we go. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to scrape these ceilings and get them looking like that, minus that little hammer mark. Step one, go to Lowe's, get a 6-inch little trowel for a joint compound. This is what I got at Lowe's, a little Durasoft, just a 6-inch little trowel. And I'm sure about everybody has a pump up sprayer at the house. Straight water, that's all we have in here. And get it pumped up. We're gonna take this in here. I grab my ladder here. And we're going to get this, pump up our sprayer. It's pretty pumped up already. And all we're gonna do is watch the color of the popcorn. It turns a different color whenever you spray it, and this is all we're gonna do to get this ceiling out of here. So, and I'll show you here in just a second how we scrape it. Oop. Everything's harder one-handed. And as you can see, that line right there and difference in color. That's all it takes right there. This is real time. And I'm gonna get the trowel here. A little magic wand. And this is it. It's that simple. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this far view and we'll do a little time lapse of this room in here. We got it all scraped. Missed one spot. All right, we got it all scraped here. This is the last spot we gotta get. And this is how easy it comes down. Change hands. All right, that's it. It does make a mess, beware. So if you're not replacing your carpet, put some disc queen down. But this is it. Unscraped ceiling. No more popcorn. We'll come back and clean those lines up right there. And that's it.